Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to return home on your Kindle Paperwhite. So recently I just a little bit confused how to return to my homepage since I want to check another book. Now I'm reading a Innovator's Dilemma book, and then when I scroll the toggle upper, I don't see any home button here. I've done click all setting and so on. Also, when I do toggle from the bottom, it just only overview of the pages, and then I'm searching for maybe 5 minutes, and then I found the solution how to go back to your homepage. You just press on the left corner of your Kindle Paperwhite. So here, press this one, and then here the toolbar will be appear, and then you can click home right after. So now I'm returning to my Kindle Paperwhite homepage, which is I want to read another book first and then go back to the previous one, and that's it. That's how to go back to Kindle Paperwhite homepage. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.